what's up? Sami here. So this is the Huawei Mate X5, the first 5G foldable phone from Huawei. So with the return of 5G, has this phone finally made it to the first tier foldable phones? I've also brought the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and the Vivo X Fold 2. In this video, let's dive into them. Let's get started. Alright, start with unboxing. So this is the Huawei Mate X5's packaging with this kind of black packaging. Seems like very advanced and premium, right? So logo here, and we have X mic, also the Kirin glass. This some of the highlights of the Huawei Mate X5 and some information here and here. So let's just unbox very quickly. Alright, yeah, we have unboxed it before. So that is the Huawei Mate X. Wow, so lightweight. And this color. They also have another black one. So let's just put it aside and check what else we got. Okay, some information, tips, I'm not gonna read that for you because I only have very limited time with it. Here we have the pin and also the phone case. Yeah, very simple phone case. And then the charger and the cable, right? So this is the 66 watts Huawei Supercharge, and also the Type A to Type C cable. And that is basically the unboxing. Alright, so this is the phone. Yeah, my first impression is it is a really lightweight and comfortable phone. Alright, so let's check out the design first. On top we have the speaker, infrared blaster, and de-noise mic. Here, nothing. And down we have the speaker, also Type-C port. Alright, here we have the volume rocker and the power, but that's also the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, that is basically the design. And if you're wondering what the difference between the Mate X3, they are basically the same with the same size, which is the 6.8 outer screen and 7.85 inner screen. The biggest difference maybe is the camera module design for the Mate X5. As you can see, it comes with a bigger shadow area. It looks more advanced and more premium, but for the key specs like the 50 megapixel main, 30 megapixel ultra-wide and 12 megapixel 5 optical zoom, they are basically the same. But we'll test the image quality later, so stay tuned for that. Now, let's just move on. Let me just set it to English. Let's check the specs first. So Harmony OS, Huawei Mate X5, and Harmony OS version is 4.0, and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And resolution exterior is 2504 by 1080, and interior is 2496 by 2224. And as we all know, it sports Kirin 9000S. So many of you are wondering, like, what's the performance? Well, I have, checked lots of professional reviews from Chinese tech KOLs. The performance is almost the same as Snapdragon 888. So it is maybe not match up the most advanced chips today, but I think it is enough to handle your daily tasks. Yes. The thermal control is really, really nice. Not hot at all. Not hot at all. And that's it. And that is with the Mix Fold 3. From my first impression, definitely Huawei is lighter. So let's just light up. Okay. So from the screen, Huawei looks brighter, right? Both at the maximum brightness. Okay, Huawei not even at the brightness mode. And the case. Let's just compare it with the Vivo X Fold, and this is the back. All right, now let's check out the sound.
Huawei has been at the center of intensifying US trade curbs on Chinese businesses, which Washington says are based on national security concerns. Bloomberg worked with a specialist research firm on this to take apart
Alright, thank you for watching up to this point. The last part is about the camera performance, which I already covered in a dedicated video like a couple hours ago. I also compared with the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and Vivo X Fold 2. You can check it out and leave comments there. Based on some of the comments, it seems that not many people are satisfied with the camera performance on the Mate X5. I definitely need more of your opinions. For me, I believe the performance places it among the top tier foldable phones. While it may have controversial photos and might appear less pleasing than its competitors, I think it offers the best video performance among all the foldables I've tested. The stabilization and awesome mic. The stabilization. Also, it's very windy now. Let me know how the sound looks like. While it may still lag behind a traditional flagship, it can serve as a qualified second phone when needed. Please let me know what you think. Alright, that's the video, and it's such an inspiring thing that Huawei has finally made it. Welcome back, Huawei. And what do you think about this X5? Please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one.